there has been a quiet exodus. Young people are leaving church in record numbers, and they are not returning. And I hope most of our pastors acknowledge that and recognize that. Look around the average church, and you will see that the pews are filled largely with elderly and middle age. Are our young people truly drifting away from the faith? Pastors, Haitian pastors, hear me good. Is your church struggling to reach the next generation? Are you reaching the next generation? Is your church leadership graying? Is your church ready to raise up the next generation to lead ministry? Do you see a generational gap within the church? Will your church reach the next generation? Is there something wrong with the ministry of your church? There is an urgent need to focus on the next generation. What will happen to the church if we do not intentionally disciple? Are you failing the younger generation? I want to give some reasons why most of the younger generation are leaving our community. They feel unwelcome. They don't feel respected. They don't feel accepted. They don't feel understood. And they are tired of the leaders, the elders blaming them. Sometimes they said that our church, the church has wishy-washy theology. There are things that you are saying, you are using cultural ideology to justify the biblical verse. They don't like that. For example, an expression in Creole, grand moun pa jam mento. They don't like that. Grand moun toujou gen raison. They don't like that. For example, when you say that ti moun supposé saluer grand moun, after they went for 5 years, 8 years, 10 years, they become a professional, doctors, lawyers, judges, and then you are disrespect them, calling them timun yo. These words are causing trouble. Pastor, hear me good. Young people are essential for a healthy congregation and stable church future. The church that does not attract younger adults won't keep growing. Pastors, we must make disciples instead of church attendees. Solving the silent exodus is essential for us in the community. Pastors, make room for younger leaders. Make room for them at the table and the decision making.